To fix the PayPal preferred payment method not working, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Payment Methods section. Here you can view and manage all your linked payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. First, ensure that your preferred payment method is listed and correctly linked to your PayPal account. If it is not, you will need to add it by clicking on the Link a Card or Bank button and following the prompts to enter your payment details. If your preferred payment method is already linked, check that it is set as the default payment method. To do this, click on the Set as Preferred button next to your preferred payment method. This will ensure that PayPal uses this payment method for all future transactions. Next, verify that your payment method has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. If your payment method is a credit or debit card, ensure that it has not expired and that the billing address matches the one on file with PayPal. Another common issue is that the payment method may be restricted or limited by PayPal. To resolve this, go to the Resolution Center and check if there are any pending issues or restrictions on your account. If you find any, follow the instructions provided to resolve them. Additionally, clear your browser cookies and cache, and try accessing your PayPal account from a different browser or device to rule out any technical issues. It is also a good idea to check for any updates to the PayPal app or website, as sometimes a simple update can resolve the issue. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact PayPal customer support directly for further assistance. They will be able to investigate the issue and provide a solution to get your preferred payment method working again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your PayPal preferred payment method not working and get back to making secure and convenient transactions with PayPal.